Namaskar, welcome to our Krishna Talks Bangla channel. Today's discussion, the boat of Radha's name, filled with Hari's name. Through this discussion, we will try to understand how the name of Radha and the name of Hari, that is, Lord Shri Krishna, when remembered, fill our heart with divine love. Just like a boat, this remembrance becomes our spiritual vessel, carried by the rope of devotion. Let us carefully explore each part. In the Srimad Bhagavad Gita it is said, "The Lord, who bestows love through devotion, guides the devotee's boat safely on its path." In the same way, the name of Radha fills our heart with divine love. The boat of Radha's name. Radha symbolizes devotion within our heart. Just as a boat floats on a river, Radha's name floats upon the waters of devotion in our consciousness. The Bhagavad Gita also teaches, one who remembers me with complete devotion, his life becomes peaceful. Think of the river as our mind. The boat is Radha's name. When we remember Radha, this boat gently sails upon the waters of our heart. Have you ever thought how powerful the remembrance of the holy name truly is? How would it feel if every morning you spent just a few moments in remembrance of the name? Filled with Hari's name. This means our consciousness must be completely filled with the divine vibration of Lord Shri Krishna's name. In the Mahabharata, the Lord says, "One who remembers me through my name, he remains forever protected." Name remembrance brings peace to our mind. Just like throwing a stone into the river creates waves, but keeping the boat steady allows it to sail smoothly. In the same way, the name of the Lord keeps our boat safe. The rope of devotional rasa. The rope is the strength that directs the boat. Here, the rope means bhakti, devotion. In the Ramayana it is said, "He whose heart holds the boat of devotion crosses over all suffering and obstacles." If we merely chant the name without true love and devotion in the heart, the boat will never reach its destination. Devotional rasa is that very strength which binds our heart to the love of the Lord. Do you think true devotion comes only by chanting the name? Devotion is actually a deep feeling of the heart, which inspires us every single day. Guided to the shore, this means the boat of Radha's name, tied with the rope of devotion, takes us across and delivers us into Lord Krishna's love. In the Bhagavad Gita it is said, "The heart of the devotee reaches me, just as a boat crosses the current of the river." Thus, Radha's name is the boat, and devotion is the rope, carry our mind towards eternal love and peace. Just as a boat safely reaches its destination when steered correctly, devotion and name remembrance guide our heart towards everlasting bliss and serenity. How can we apply these truths in our life? First, daily remembrance of the holy name through japa or singing. Second,